Today is National Cherry Cobbler Day, and this morning we're back in our Price Chopper kitchen, serving up a slice of that delicious dessert.
Yes, cookbook author Courtney Hill joins us again to help us create one. Good morning, Courtney.
Hello.
Welcome back.
Good morning. Yes, welcome back.
Thank you. I wore my cherry dress to
Yay!
celebrate.
I love that. Okay, so what goes into making this dessert?
A cherry cobbler is kind of different things to different people. To me, it's this kind of biscuit type crust over a fruit filling.
Okay.
And so this is obviously cherry, but some people kind of think it's like oats and other things like that. But to me, that's a crisp. This is a cobbler.
Okay.
Ah.
Yes.
Okay, so I don't think I've ever had cobbler before.
It's kind of like a cheaper pie because, you know, there's nothing on the bottom and then you can just throw the stuff together and dump it on there. It doesn't have to look pretty.
Fun.
And then it bakes and it tastes amazing.
All right, well, let's get into making it.
Okay, well, I'm going to use these tart cherries that I actually picked this summer. I picked them at a local place here in Kansas City. It's actually Cleveland, Missouri. But so I went and picked a bunch of cherries and froze them all, which is awesome. And they're the best tasting cherries I've ever had in my life. It's
Oh,
a
wow.
tart cherry, which is my favorite. So in this pie filling here, we have tart cherries, sugar, a little bit of flour, and my favorite pairing with cherries is almond extract.
Oh, interesting.
So I always add a little almond extract to anything I'm making with cherry. So that's in the bottom there. And then you just take the dough, which is butter, sugar, eggs, vanilla, flour, baking powder, and a pinch of salt.
Okay.
And then you just mix that together, and it's kind of like a cookie dough almost.
Which or Adriana thought it was mashed potatoes.
Is
Yes.
that mashed potatoes?
And you're literally just going to spoon that on there, just like this.
Okay.
Oh.
All the way around. Anywhere you
Just
want
like
to
little balls.
And then
Little
when
dollops.
It's going to flatten out
Yeah.
eventually.
Exactly. When it bakes, it turns flat like that and nice and golden brown and crunchy.
This is pretty simple and easy to make. I thought you would have to, like, you know, roll it out and then like place it on top.
Nope.
How long does this take to make?
To make, oh, I don't know, 10, 15 minutes, something like that. It
Oh,
bakes for 30.
Okay, gotcha.
Sorry, did you say bake or make?
Make. So
Okay.
preparation, about 10, 15 minutes,
Yeah,
and then
I
you
mean,
bake it
super
for about
easy.
30.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Then you bake it, and it's really best served warm with some ice cream. So I
Okay.
have some ice cream here for you.
I love,
want to try
you know,
some.
like a chocolate, like brownie or that's
Ooh.
warm and then with ice cream. So anything that's like warm mixed with the cold ice cream, I
Yes.
love.
Oh,
So I'm
that's such a
excited
good
for
pairing.
Okay, so Courtney, we both told you that we've never had. Here we go.
Oh,
Here we go.
We have unwanted guests.
We have a cobbler.
Oh my goodness.
Cobbler thief, Palmer.
He's the king of cobbler.
Is it
folks.
good? It's so good. Oh, he took the plate. Bye, Palmer.
Good thing I have a third
See
here
you
for
later. All right, I'll take this.
Do you need a fork? We got your fork.
Well, what
he came with his fork. Okay,
What
gotcha.
we were going to tell you is that Adriana and I have never had a cherry cobbler. So this is our first time tasting
I
one.
hope that it meets your expectations.
Wow.
It's pretty good. Tart cherry is the best, I will tell you.
Oh my
Oh my
gosh.
gosh.
What have we been missing out on? You lived under a rock?
You know, peach cobbler's also very good.
I think I've had peach cobbler.
Yes.
My
But again,
mother
you
makes
gotta
a
use
really
fresh-
good peach cobbler.
You gotta use fresh peaches or frozen. You don't want to use the can.
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
Could we find this recipe in your book at all?
This one is not, but the cherry pie filling is. It's
Okay.
for my cherry pie, and then I will have this on the. It's actually on the blog already. Today,
I need
so.
another bite.
I've just been eating. I didn't know you stopped. Tony.
You know, this reminds me of like a instead of a strawberry shortcake,
Yeah,
a
little
cherry. Yeah, with the ice cream.
Now I will be warn you. Anything with cherries, you're going to want to make sure you bite softly because there could possibly be a pit in there.
Oh, okay.
Now, these I know don't have any because I pitted every one of them myself. But when you buy them at the store, just be a little careful because that can crack your tooth.
Oh man.